Career Readiness office was actually a big part of my Sewanee journey. If you're struggling in class, you can come to the Career Readiness office and get engaged so that somebody can help you while keeping the goals that you have in mind for after graduation that you can then focus on building your resume as well.
We talk with students about designing their four-year experience and doing that with intentionality. We want to make sure that they are putting things together in a way that serves their goals and needs and hopes.
From the very first moment that a student says, I want to come to Sewanee, okay, you have someone dedicated to helping you go through that journey and figuring out how each step needs to be taken so that once you are ready to graduate, you can cross through the gates and live that productive, fulfilling life that you want to have.
The center is really always willing to connect you with someone, and they really are so helpful in any way, whether it's an internship, workshop on how to use Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint, and for full-time job searching. They really do all they can to help you, make you feel successful before graduation.
We usually host over 100 events every single year, and all of those are designed to help students explore what comes next.
You can engage with our office as much as you want, and we really do want you to come in to use these resources all the time.
After 4 years at Sewanee, you can go where you want. You can design the life that you will find filled with meaning, purpose, and contribution, and you can make it happen.